guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs with Hayden, our cousin slash, I'm calling him my nephew because he's so much younger than I am. It's easier, and his mom is like my sister. So we're working on Hayden's 2015 EcoBoost Mustang. We are going to remove his resonator today in typical narcoleptic fashion, an ugly, cobbled together mess, but it'll sound way better. All right, so these are 13 millimeter that hold the hangers on for the exhaust. So Ford at least did that correct. Oh, hang on, we get a shorter one. Let's get this one. Come on, just put it down right now. Then move it back there really still. Just hold the thing. Roll off. And just because I know everybody wants to hear what it sounds like without a muffler. Guys, so we are cutting off the resonator, obviously. It is 22 3/4 inches long. That'll be important to you to know later on in the video whenever we start cutting up the piping and things like that. Guys, so we're welding up the connector pipe from the factory setup, so it still slides on in a factory way, easy to remove, and all that kind of stuff. All the welding we do on the table or over in this side of the room is done with our Eastwood MIG 175. It's been a great tool for the shop. It's great, especially for the cost. We'll see how far we are off now. Okay. Oh, dude, that'll work perfect.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's pull it off. Just gonna pull it down. Yep, that'll work. Right. We just fucked it up, didn't we?
No, it's just hanging on that end. It's fine.
Well, no, we need to twist it.
It's gonna have to come out. It's gonna have to come off of that back end.
No.
There it goes. It fits.
Well, I'm just wondering if we're too long. Nope.
Okay.
But see, that looks like it fits right. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Like a glove? Is your top one hooked in there?
Yeah, it's all hooked.
Well, I meant in the back though.
Yeah. That's all I've got. I've got the top one back here.
Okay.
And this one right here in the middle. That's all I've got hooked.
Alright. And then what we'll do when we go to weld it is we'll hold up on it.
Okay.
That way it's nice and up and out of the way.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude.
Nice. Yeah, and these arms back here have a lot of play to them too.
So we're gonna see what just the single pipe will do. All right, guys, to weld this one, we're going to use our Millermatic DVI2 that Steven's had for, I don't know, 15 years. Look at that. Woo! So nice. If it wasn't set up for duals, we'd just run this. But it is. Guys, I thought we would just shape it with the grinder. Ends up, that's not the way we're gonna do this. All right, guys. All right, so Hayden has never messed with a plasma cutter. So I figured we would get our little Eastwood Versa cut out, and that way we can really work to trim this and make it fit a lot tighter and not have to use the grinder because you end up with stupid crap like that. So we're going to let him work with it. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're gonna mark the piping here. Man, we really need to come in some more with that. Because look at the freaking gap.
Yeah, it's about the same on the other side. It needs to come in right back here. So, hang on. Probably like right there. Okay, take it off and then I'll mirror it.
Yeah, I'm trying to, because we need to be able to still, you know, this needs to still fit the same way.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got it marked out here for the where it's going to connect, and then we're going to go drill the hole and take the exhaust back off. 14th time. All right, so it's the first time I'm using the hole saw since I broke my hand 5 weeks ago. All right, so obviously that's not a very big hole and not gonna move much air, but we also want, on cold mornings, plumes of air or smoke coming out of both sides. So we're gonna use the plasma, we're gonna enlarge this just a little bit.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Look how ugly that son of a bitch is. I sped this up because this is like a 6-minute span of time here that it took us to get this exhaust back on. I was having a ton of trouble with the front connector that connects to the factory exhaust. I was having a ton of trouble with it right there. Couldn't get it to spin. It basically needed to slide forward about 1.5 inches. So you can see I get the hammer out here, start dinging around on it, and we finally get it all set up, and I actually had to have Hayden come up and help me with it. All right, guys, we have removed the resonator. Look at how ugly this weld job is. I did a horrible job of notching the incoming pipe. So we fixed it and welded it, and it's ugly, but from there it's not too bad.
Oh no.
Except for these drippy dripperstons here. So, and then back on the back. All right, I'm ready. All right, exhaust all back on. Oh, it does sound better. Yep. All right, guys, not much of a change on the exhaust. Looking back, we probably should have taken the mufflers off instead of the resonator, but he'll be back. We'll do the mufflers next time, and we'll have some fun. So to see more content like that and see more stuff that we build all the time, check out our other playlists and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So thanks a bunch. All right, guys, so we're gonna let Hayden weld. He's never welded before. Well, he's welded with Steven. And so we're gonna let him mess around with it a little bit while he's here. So. Let's see what it looks like, man. Dang, dude, look at that! Rolling out some dimes. So you never welded before. Guys, look how good that looks. So he's gonna go in and we're gonna make him fix all this so it attaches to the bar here.